Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. These are 350 pounds ice makers. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. The overall height is about like 63¼ inches tall. Overall length about like 23, almost 23 inches. And overall depth about like 25½ inches. Also, let's take a look at the height size. The top will be 17¼ inches deep and 20 inches tall. This top length will be 22½ inches. For this ice maker, we come in with ice beam selling together. As you can see, the front have a controller right here. You can change the settings to change the timers and turn it off and on right here. Adjust it right here too. And when you open the lid, you will see there is an ice beam inside. The ice beam can handle about like almost 140 pounds for these containers. And they come in with the legs at the bottoms. For legs adjustable. And let's take a look at the back side to see the connections. Let's take a look at the back side. As you can see, we're having the head units right here. From the head units, you can see the stickers. They're writing down all the car sheets and the model numbers here. And they have the ETL, UL sanitation approvals. They mark right here too. And also you can see we're having the water, the injects right here. And also this is using the 110 power standard US connection right here. You can see this unit is easy to maintain. You can open a couple of screws. You can see the evaporator inside. Big fans right here and the compressor right here. And when you're looking down here, this is for the ice beam. The water drain connections at the bottom. We also having the water connections right here. They come in with the units. This for the water drain connections at the bottoms. And for the input right here, you see we have extra box the pipes for this one. And all connections, accessories, and even the connection for this one. We have everything included. Thank you for watching this videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us.